Hi, once again, this is Tato Malay, and welcome to the program Kamalayan. All right, so we have started discussing about the principles. The first principle that I shared last time was universal principle number 1. You believe, or what you believe yourself to be is what happens into your life. And so we go back to that. You are what you believe yourself to be. And that's based on the law of manifestation, which says your consciousness creates your reality. Okay. So ang kamalayan natin, ang nagbibigay buhay sa ating mundo. Ang tanong ko nga last time is, gusto ba ninyo nangyayari sa buhay nyo o hindi? At kung hindi nyo gusto ang nangyayari, mukhang dapat ay magkaroon tayo ng assessment of what we are going to change in our lives or in our beliefs. So again, I cannot overstress the fact that we have been programmed unknowingly or unwittingly by other people when we were young. And up to now, dala-dala natin. Yung iba nga, up to now, takot matulog sa walang ilaw paggabi. Gusto nila may ilaw dahil may mumu daw. O, saan lang galing yun? Sino nagsabi na may mumu? Si Yaya. O, ayan. So hanggang ngayon, dami matatanda na, takot pa rin matulog na walang ilaw. So in other words, may ganyan tayo mga kaso na sa programming natin, ingrained dyan sa ating sa mind. So, I would like now to add more to what we actually had been programmed to. As a result of this, we had acquired more problems as a result of this. And what kind of problems did we get? These are attitude problems. Marami sa atin yan. Problema, ang tinatawag natin attitude problems. Sa opisina, sa mga barkadahan, ay pag sinabi, may attitude problem yan. O, ayan, problema na yan. So ano-ano ba itong mga attitude problems na ito? Kung isa-isahin natin, marami ito. Baka kung bibilangin natin kung ilan ang bumupuro tayo, baka masyak kayo. Grabe palang attitude problem nyo kung nakakasampu kayo at inuuhan nyo lahat itong sasabihin ko 10 na attitude problems. And number 1 of this is blaming others for your mistakes. Ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Nagbibintangan natin ng iba na sila ang mali, tayo ang tama. Palusot tayo. Marami sa ating ganyan. We blame others for our mistakes. So what happens to that? To ourselves? Wala nangyayari sa buhay natin kasi hindi tayo nagbabago eh. Ay, wala naman akong kasalanan eh. Sila yun eh. So, wala nagbago. In other words, all throughout those years, lumaki tayong walang nangyari sa buhay natin dahil we never learned how to change ourselves. Kasi we cannot accept the fact that tayo pala ang mali. Ayaw natin aminin. Sabi natin, hindi, sila may problema, ako wala. Okay. Sino may problem yan? Okay? Number 1, blaming others for your mistakes. Sino number 1 na naka-check ang... Correct? Sulat nyo kung yan ay problema nyo para tingnan natin kung lahat yan pwede nyo baguhin later on. And number 2 is, ito, naku, sakit ng mga Pilipino to. Complaining always. Marami sa atin, walang ginawa kundi magreklamo. Magreklamo sa gobyerno, magreklamo sa eskwelahan, complain about anything that is there in front of them. Ano talaga nangyayari sa buhay natin pag complain tayo ng complain? Nagiging tayo, para bang napaka-negative na ng approach natin sa ating kabuhayan, sa kamunduhan natin. So, what am I saying here? If you are always complaining, who would want to be friends with you? Wala. Di ba? Wala ka nakitang maganda sa iba eh. Wala ka nakitang tama sa iba eh. Complain ka sa lahat na ng bagay, meron kang nakikitang mali. Huwag niyo sabihin, hindi tayo dumaan dyan. I'm sure, marami sa atin up to now, that is our basic attitude problem. Complaining always. Ay, makita lang ninyo yung mga nagrereklamo sa nanonood ng mga, o pag nanonood, nakikinig sa radyo about the news. Ay, si ganito, dapat tanggalin. Ayan, ang dami tayong mga ganyan na kuwan. So, in other words, that is basically a problem among us. How can we change that? Well, we have to know if it is in us that we are always complaining about so many things. Kasi kung alam natin, we complain about a lot of things in our lives, that is a basic attitude problem. Hindi pwedeng palagpasin niyo yan. Huwag mo sabihin, talaga namang ang daming hindi tama eh. Bakit? Ganun na ba ang buhay natin? Talagang wala ka na makita maganda. Puro na lang mali. Puro na lang pangit. I'm sure naman, meron din maganda. So in other words, we have to learn how to adjust, to accept. This is one thing that we can never really just let go. So in other words, what I am now trying to emphasize here is the fact that these basic attitude problems, and mind you, we are just on the second. The first one is blaming others for your mistakes, and the second one is complaining always. At mukhang, in this episode, hindi natin matatakil pa yung ibang kwan. But at least now, talong ko sa inyo, namumuro na ba kayo doon sa dalawang yon? Kasi those are, wow, ang bigat na problema yan pag inyong dinadala yan. Blaming others for your mistakes and complaining always. Two of the basic attitude problems that we really have to change in our lives. Again, ito si Tato Malay na nag-i-invite sa inyo na manood uli sa susunod na episode for the continuation of the basic attitude problems that I'm sharing here in Kamalayan. Thank you very much.